Now coming to the user interface. Here on this user interface, you can see multiple things over here, right? So let's start with the topmost bar, right? Here you can see an R-shaped logo. This is called application menu, right? After this application menu, we have all these settings. This we were calling it as quick access toolbar, right? In quick access toolbar, we have new, open, save, right? Undo, redo, print option, right? After that, we have measure option here as well. In this quick access toolbar, we have option for dimensioning, tags, right? Model text, and this is called home button. It is used for obtaining a 3D view, right? After that, we have section. If we want to see the section view of any particular thing, we will use this section from here. After that, we have thin line, right? Whatever you have drawn on this drawing area, this is called drawing area in Revit, right? So whatever you have drawn on this drawing area, if you want to see that in very thin line, you will tick this option thin line. It will automatically change all the lines of various line weight into simple thin lines. After that, we have a customization button over here. I click on this point, we can add some of more option to this quick access toolbar, right? Here we have one option that is close inactive windows. If you want to add, you can see it here, right? If you want to remove anything from this, you can just click on that button and it will remove that, right? Suppose you want to remove this measure option, you can remove that as well, right? After this quick access toolbar, we have this is called title bar. Here it will show you the version of your software along with your project. Currently, I am in project 1 and here I am in floor plan level 1. So I will come to this later. What is this floor plan level 1? After this title here, we have info center. Info center again, it is used for connecting to the internet to this info center, right? If you want to check your license, you can again go here. It will show you your mail ID through which you have created an Autodesk account. If you want to change your license type or check your license, to go here, it will show you your Autodesk ID, right? Your license expiration date. For all of you, it should appear like this. If here you are getting an option of sign in, it means that you have not downloaded the software properly. You might have downloaded a trial version for 30 days, right? After this, we have this help button and some of maximization, minimization, and control close button, right? This is all about this topmost tab. Here we have application menu, quick access toolbar, title bar, info center, right? After this, we have here various tabs, right? Here first one is file tab. If I click on file, you can see here option to create new, open, save as, import, right? Print option and close. Right? These are some of the options here in this file tab. As I have already shown you, if you go to here option, you can see here the file location for different templates as well, right? So after this, we have architectural tab. In this architectural tab, you can see the various tools on this ribbon, right? So basically, we will be working with all these tools available in this architectural tab, right? As a civil or architectural engineer, you will be working on this part only, right? If you go to your next tab, that is structure, right? So most of the structural engineer, civil engineer work with this as well. But we will be working with the architectural part since we are studying only Revit architecture, right? After that, we have steel part that is related to mechanical engineering as well. After that, we have system. It is related to some mechanical HVAC calculations. So we will not work with this as well. After that, we have insert tab. So this is important one. Here you can see link Revit option. This is used for linking your Revit file to different systems, right? So multi-user environment can be created, multiple people can work on the same file, right? Using this link Revit option. Here we have link CAD option, decal as well. So decal is used for placing paintings on your wall, right? We have here import CAD option. If you want to import AutoCAD floor plan directly in this Revit, you can use this import CAD option. Okay? AutoCAD files can be directly imported in this particular software, and we can work on that as well. After this, we have option of load family, right? If you click on this load family, we can download some of the options or the family part related to all the essential components. That can be a table, a sofa, a wall, anything like that, right? So after insert, we have annotate tab. So annotate tab is again for dimensioning part. If you want to dimension various wall height, wall length, right? The dimensioning between various parts, that can be done from this particular thing. Here we have tag option as well. If you want to apply tags to your door schedule, window schedule, right? Whatever the schedule you will be creating, right? After this, we have analyze option that again related to heating and cooling load calculation, right? After that, we have massing and site. This is again an important topic for architecture. We will work with this massing and site as well. Here we will be generating topo surface, right? As we usually do in the surveying part, we will locate the different points and will create a topo surface. And after that, we will be creating some model on that topo surface, right? After that, we have collaborate. Here we have view option as well. And in this view, we have settings for view template, visibility graphics, again thin line. Here we have 3D view option, right? We have section view again, some of the rendering settings we have over here. Here we things related to the sheet preparation, right? Whatever the sheet you will prepare, you can use this sheet composition option. Here at last we have switch window, tab view and type view, right? Last thing is related to user interface. If you want to change anything on your screen, you can use this user interface, right? Here you can see this is project browser. So by mistake, if you have deleted this from here, again you want to see that project browser over here, you will click on this point. This is your project browser. Click it, it will appear here, right? Same setting can be applied to all these things over here. Here we have a navigation bar as well. This is navigation bar, right? Here we have properties palette. If you want to hide and show this thing, you can use this user interface setting. After view tab, we have manage option, right? Here we can apply various material to different things. We have here snap setting, project unit setting, right? So we can use that here. This is project unit. So after that, we have add-ons and modify toolbar, right? So we will be working with this modify as well. In this modify, we will have some of the things related to modify toolbar. Here we have setting for align, offset, draw mirror axis, pick axis, split element, move, copy, rotate, right? Trim, extend to corners, right? We will be using all these options. Here we have measure, create similar option, create group, right? So we will start with this architecture first and we will discuss all these things. After this, at last, we have a ribbon button, right? Here again, you can see a drop down menu. If you click on here, you can see some of the same setting as we had in case of AutoCAD. First thing is minimize to tab. You will minimize your ribbon to tab zone. Right? You can see only tabs here. If you click on any of these points, after that, it will show you the ribbon of that tab, right? If you go here, click on this minimize to panel buttons. Here you will see the panel button, right? And you can click on any of this panel button to select anything, right? After this, we have minimize panel button tabs. Here you can see again the panel buttons. The last thing is cycle through all, right? Now you can cycle through all these options by clicking on this ribbon button. So by default, we keep this setting as this only.